Hi, in today's topic, I am going to talk about few important prototype softwares and tools. So in the market, there are n number of prototyping software tools are available for UX designers. So I am going to list down very few and I am going to talk about the importance of the prototype as well. Let's get started. The first tool is Figma. So it's one of the most favorite and popular tool for UX designers. So this tool is not only capable for doing the high fidelity prototypes, and also you can able to do design and prototyping, and you can able to hand over to the developers. This tool is a one-stop solution tool for the designers, so they can do entire workflow in this tool itself. The second tool is Axure RP. Axure RP is one of the oldest prototyping tool in the market. Also, it's one of the powerful tool to create the very complex interactive prototypes. So if you are going to working on a large projects, then you can consider this Axure RP. So this tool is very useful for the larger projects. It has a wide range of features, something like conditional logic, dynamic panels, and advanced prototyping options. 3. Invision app. So Invision app was one of my favorite tool in a long time ago, and currently this tool is become a completely into the whiteboard, but still it has the capability of doing the prototyping. Alright, so this tool is currently they are deviating into their business, but still they hold their prototyping option. So you can do wide range of prototyping using your high fidelity mockups, and also you can do responsive prototyping as well. And one more very unique features and the functionality in this tool is you can able to manage your design from this application. So effectively you can collaborate with your clients and your teams, and also you can able to do the design management. So this is one of the beautiful tool for managing your designs. 4. Protopie. So Protopie has a very complex and advanced level prototyping tool, and you can able to conduct the usability testing, and you can able to hand over to the developers for the interaction. So it has a lot of features and functionalities. The one best part of this tool is if you are going to build a prototype, that prototype is work like a real-time app. So that is a very useful advantage of this tool. So you can try out this tool once. 5. Proto.io. Proto.io is not just another prototyping tool. So it has a lot of UI components and blocks. So you can drag and drop and build your UI design screen as well. And also you can create the mockups here. And what you can do once you create the mockups or UI design screens in this platform, you can able to do the prototyping, and you can able to hand over to the development team as well. So basically what this tool is doing is, it doesn't have a very comprehensive design system, something like Figma, but it has a presets of templates and the blocks. So you can able to drag and drop. So predominantly this will be very useful for the entrepreneurs, product managers, and UI designers. 6. Marvel app. Earlier it was started as a prototyping tool, but now they are competing with Figma. So you can able to do the design, and you can able to do the prototyping, and you can able to do the development handover from this tool itself. But a few more add-on features which is not available in Figma, that is all available in Marvel app. You can able to conduct the usability test. So that is one of the unique features available in this application. Alright, so I had listed almost 6 different prototype softwares for you. So my recommendation is you can try out these tools at least once. Most of these tools are offering for at least one project at a free of cost. So you can build your own product, at least one product, and you can able to try out with these tools, and you can able to explore these tools as well. And in future what you can do, based upon your requirement, you can able to choose the tool and you can implement it into your project. Alright. So do not stick with any one single tool. So currently we are living in an information era. So in this information era, we cannot be loyal into any of the software and tools. So we have to upgrade ourselves. We need to evolve ourselves. so that we need to experiment and explore many tools. So if you know more tools, and based upon the demand and the requirements, we can able to use the tools and we can move the project as quick as possible. All right. So I hope you like this topic, and if you have any queries or if you know any better tools than these, please let me know in the comment section and we can discuss on the comments. And I'm going to share all these links and everything in the description area. Go and check it out. All right. So I will be catching you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.